KP Nation, what's going on, y'all? This is the day that the Lord has made, and we will rejoice and be glad in it. Hey, guys, my pool pump went out on me. Well, the bearing started going bad and started leaking, and so a new gasket, labor, and all that stuff, I might as well just put a brand new one in. So we got the guys coming here today. So you service all Columbia? Do you service all Columbia area?
Pretty much. Depends on where you're at. A lot of people can't have an above ground pool. So.
Oh, okay.
With these new neighborhoods, man, they can't have nothing to make your way.
That's why I moved to the country.
So
that's why I moved to the country. So I do YouTube videos. I'm a YouTuber. You don't mind me recording you?
No.
Because what I also want to do is I advertise your business so people would give you a call.
Absolutely.
So you're Ryan Reisner. So guys, I got Ryan Reisner here today. He's gonna put me a new pool pump in for my pool. I told y'all my pump went out. Great guy, met him over, got his phone number from one of the local pool shops, and pretty cool guy. One of the things I like what he said to me, I ain't gonna bust you across the head, and I appreciate that. Because a lot of people, that's what they wanna do, man. But straightforward guy, got his pops out here with a date. I told him, I said, man, that's a blessing to have your dad with you. And so that's an awesome feeling to have your father with you. So we're gonna replace this pump today, man. Get this thing up and running. Money. So my pump started making this noise and started leaking some water from day one, basically, but I wasn't gonna worry about it. But you know, I don't want all that water leaking in the back of my pool and stuff. Y'all see the lattice is already, we put the lattice up. And so now we're getting ready to replace this pump. I'm gonna replace the pump. I went on Amazon, I was looking for pumps and all that stuff, and I saw one pump on Amazon called a Viva or something like that. You ever heard of that one?
Yep. Not worth it.
Yeah, Viva.
All junk.
Yeah, I saw that.
I've bought them all, man. I bought every one of them, tested them out, gallons per minute. They're not the same as a Heyward.
Yeah, that's what everybody says. Heyward is like the best.
Get that plug. Yeah, it's in the bag in the truck. What is that, Phillips screw that's on that?
No, I got it right here. I got it. Let me get my drill here. I'm just being nosy. Y'all stay tuned. I gotta pull my skimmer basket up because me and my cousin, we screwed it down, but it's just simple. Take a screw and screw it up, and that'll be it. So so y'all can quit talking about my pool. Ryan, you don't treat pools, do you? Or you just do that kind of stuff like that? Okay. I mean, I buy the stuff from leisure pools anyway. This will be my actual first year of actually having it. So, what do y'all do when your pool goes down? Who do you call? I'll give y'all Ryan's information. Anybody in the local area want to have, a new pool pump or something put in, you give him a call. He'll take care of you. He'll take care of your service needs. Y'all reach out to him. What other kind of work do you do besides this right here? Oh, he's gone. He's gone to the truck, so I got to take this up right here. This right here's got to come up. So let's see. To stick it in there and leave it alone. That way, if I need to get to it, I'll just pull them out.
Yeah, that needs to be cleaned up regular anyway.
Well, I hadn't. We put this pool in probably August, and probably got in 3 times. I need a ladder because the ladder that I had was broke.
This is the waterways. This is the new one I got to get out of.
I need to get I got to find a ladder. But most of the ladders you see online, it's like they're designed for this type of pool, but it's designed to go on the ground. I don't have a ground. I got to get something that go over this.
Yeah, mine just bolts here and goes in the pool.
Oh, you got above ground too?
So above ground is mostly in the ground.
Ah, okay. But I got a deck around it, but like I say,
But I got a deck around it, but like I say, you know, I got to get a ladder. The ladder mounts this way. It's got two little things that mount it right here
Right.
and over here, and you just got rails, and you just go down in the pool.
Where'd you get your ladder from? It came with the pool?
Came with the pool. Leisure life.
Okay, yeah, I'm gonna have to go up there and see what they got.
But I had them to dig it in. There was about that much sticking out of the ground.
Ah, okay.
You know, this is nice right here.
And what's that with it? It plugs it up so the water won't come out?
Right.
Oh, okay. So y'all live in Lexington?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, man.
Got the other one.
It's far out there.
That ain't too bad.
Nah. Yep.
Like the way the couplers on there. Oh yeah. Straight up.
Yeah. There she goes.
That plug on it in there. Yeah, seems like it's in there pretty good. Just putting something on there. This piece of the rubber glove. There you go. Yeah, that slowed it down and get it up. That's good. We're gonna lose a little bit, but I don't wanna lose it all.
All right, the old pump has been lifted out, guys. We're going to see. Runs her pump 24 hours a day, 7 days a week.
Absolutely. I only cut mine off to backwash it. There's it says on here continuous. It'll say type continuous. It's 24 hours. So these pumps are rated to run at 24 hours a day.
Huh? So I was thinking about light bill.
It's not that bad. It ain't what you really think. I mean, because every time you cut one on and off, you're surging current. So you're actually using more electricity turning it on and off than you are leaving it on.
Wow. Yeah, he said he's traveling 45 minutes out, guys. I wasn't recording when I was talking the last time, so I missed that. So 45 minutes, y'all reach out to me, give you some information, and y'all check him out. Now that one that doesn't have a back like this.
No, it's a newer version. This is a newer pump.
Oh, okay.
See how that's a Century brand?
Uh-huh.
That was a Magnatech, so that's about 20 years old now.
Oh, wow.
The pump itself.
Wow. Wow. So it needs to be running 20. He said run the pump 24 hours a day, guys. Whew. I was thinking, I thought I was turning it on and off.
Well, you're basically saving your chemicals by leaving your water circulating.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Or your ionizer.
Yeah.
The more you got the water circulating, the cleaner your pool's going to be.
Oh, okay. Okay, okay. So we're going to leave it running from now on 24 hours a day.
Just say, cut it off the back, wash it.
Now, I don't even know what all those things on the top mean. Like, what does backwash mean?
That means it's going to backwash wherever you're coming out here.
What is that?
Clean all the dirt off this sand filter.
So how often do you backwash?
Pool like that, I'd backwash it probably a couple of times, at least every day for about 3 or 4 days.
Okay.
That way it'll clean. You'll see the pollen, you'll see trash coming out and all that stuff.
Okay, so bash.
Backwash it till the water's clear.
Okay.
Well, in that case, it's probably not going to be clear, but you just want to keep the sand backwash so that it keeps the sand clean instead of pushing it further down and down and down.
Okay.
So it blows all the debris out the top.
And what does the waste mean on it?
It's just wastewater. So when you want to backwash it, then you want to turn it to rinse and rinse the backwash back out. It rinses everything back out. Then you put it back on filter.
So backwash.
Basically, you're just using close, backwash, rinse, and filter.
And what does close mean?
It's closed everything off. Yeah, so there's like a valve for the water from coming down into the pump while I'm trying to do it.
Oh, okay. Okay. So turn it on backwash today, let it run 4 days?
No, just 15 minutes.
Oh, okay.
15, 20 seconds to get all the bad water out of it. You'll see the dirty water coming out the pipe. Yeah. Because it'll shoot out of here.
Okay.
Yeah, you're going to have to get a hose and run it.
Okay, so run the backwash for 15, 20 minutes?
There's a lot of water going to be coming out of here. About 15, 20 minutes, and then cut it off, then put it on rinse for about 3 or 4 minutes.
Okay.
And then you put it back to
filter.
But the longer you do it, the more water gets taken out of your pool. So that means you'd have to, put the hose back in there. Yeah, just make sure it's not empty in your pool. You want to make sure this basket right here has got plenty of water in it, so that pump's getting what it needs.
Okay. Yeah, I turned this thing on the first time last week since August.
Man.
Because I mean it was, September, once it got too chilly to get out, come outside, You run yours in the wintertime too?
Absolutely. All year long. Keeps the pipes from freezing.
Oh wow.
And it keeps it clean. You don't have to worry about cutting it because you're going to keep an eye on it every day. Like right here at the house, you're going to keep it clean.
Now what does that recirculate?
Yeah, that's what you put it on to make sure it filters. That's what it's going to filter back into the pool through here.
Now wait, your dad told me to put it on filter after I backwash, so.
Well, backwash it. He's right.
He put it on recirculate.
He's right.
Okay.
I didn't see that.
What does recirculate do?
It's the same thing.
Same thing? Okay. Because I was going to be following instructions.
No, he's right. No, he's the man to listen to. Always.
I was listening because I was like, okay.
I'm not wrong,
I was like, okay, now recirculate. What does that mean? Dad already told me backwash 15 minutes.
I mean, that's even a long time. 15 minutes will pull all the water out of the pool. So just do about, I'd do 45 seconds. Depending on what you got, you'll see it. It depends on how dirty that water is. You'd hook that hose up to it and you watch the water. You just watch the water roll out. Once it clears up, it'll be real cloudy, real dark green. You'll see it look like that. And once it clears up, turn it to rinse and do the same thing. I know, I was doing something on those. Yeah, that's a different one there. All right, so we go. You got it's right behind you. It's already on. Just a switch.
It's off.
Okay. What I'm doing now, priming the getting the air out the line.
Well, it does sound quieter.
Oh yeah.
And she's shooting out. She's shooting out.
Are you about ready to get this thing cleaned up?
The basket?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Slide that up in there, I guess. It slides in that little thing. I can handle it from here. I guess I can handle this here. Yeah.
That ain't too bad.
Oh, remember we got that thing in there in the way. I got that one in the way to get out. Yeah.
I'm gonna pack up what's left out here.
Okay, I'm gonna go in the house and get my wallet. All right, guys, we running again. This iron irons are on. All right, y'all, so that's what we had to do today to get this thing fixed, man. We up and running. So, y'all, I'll holler at y'all in a little bit. I'm gonna let it run a little bit.